Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, so Leo people, this is your current energy, 6 of Pentacles, and this is your partner's current energy, 3 of Pentacles. Oh my god. It's evidently you must be dealing with some earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Leo people, if I talk about your current energy, we have 6 of Pentacles. You are being very biased right now, Leo. Very, very biased, okay? Because you being at that position that you can offer the certain things to someone who is very needy, you are ignoring them completely and you are giving or feeding that person who does not require your help. If I talk about from this relationship perspective, it seems like you are ignoring your person. They are literally begging in front of you. They are literally begging in front of you for your attention, for your love, for your emotion. But you being very biased, you are not giving any kind of attention to this person. And I think that you are very much happy to give your attention to someone who has already a lot of other blessings in their own life. Okay. Now let's talk about your partner's current energy. We have 3 of Pentacles. It seems like your partner is also going through some tough time. They must be taking some counseling. I'm getting 2 stories here. Either they are into third party situation, okay? Some kind of perhaps they must be cheating on you. That's why you're not giving them the right amount of attention which they want, okay? You feel that this person is already been with a lot of other people, so why should I give my attention to this person, okay? Either this could happen, and perhaps, or else it could also happen that your person is taking advice from a lot of people. They must be discussing about your behavior with their friends, with their family members. I don't know what happened with my Leo. All of a sudden, why this person is ignoring me, I really have no idea. Okay, so this could be one of the story for Leo, that your person must be talking to a lot of people. They are taking some kind of a guidance from other people. Okay, now let's see how you see them, how they see you, what actions you guys are going to take towards each other. How you see them, how they see you, what actions you can take towards them, and what actions they are going to take towards you. Okay. Conditioning. Even though Leo, you are someone who is very fearful, but still you know that this person is conditioned by their own things, okay? Perhaps you want them to know what is their worth, okay? That's why you must be ignoring them, because you want them to know that you have certain kind of qualities within you, and you need to break all the barriers within your own mind, okay? Even though you are, this person is also Leo, okay? But you, at some point of time in life, you feel that your person is not able to take charge of their life, because they are conditioned, they are stuck, they are, abide by their own circumstances, their own situations, their own family matters, okay? So that's how you see them. Receptivity. Leo, your person sees you as somebody who is always open to learn, who is always open to take what comes in your life, okay? You are someone who see beyond the illusion, you see beyond the, you are somebody who is a visionary basically. Alright, now let's see what actions you are taking towards him. Flowering. You want to take action towards them, you want to give them love, joy, peace, happiness, but you are not giving it to them because you want them to be free from this conditioning part. You want your person to do something great in life. Only then you will be able to share all your blessings with them. See, the way you have, hold back all such emotions for them. It simply shows that you want this person to know their worth, to start working on their potential. Okay? What actions this person can take towards you? The Creator. This person is going through a lot of ups and downs in life, and as I told you with this card, they must be taking a lot of guidance from people. So with this Creator card, this person feels that this person is must be taking some guidance, and perhaps they are implementing such guidance which whatever they have received from the people, the guidance which their peers has given them, the guidance which their family members and elders has given them. Perhaps they have started implementing on that thing. Okay. Now let's see what future holds for you. What future holds for you, Leo? Knight of Cups. You can expect a new love offer, or perhaps you can expect this person coming into a transformation avatar towards you. Okay, so somebody, either this person or it could be a completely new person, a new love must be arriving in your life in future, or perhaps your person, your current partner, this person is coming towards you with a transformation. Okay. So Leo people, you must be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in this reading. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and yes. Okay, so Leo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.